a mosaic is a composition of fragments of different materials, shapes, and colours. The origin of the name mosaic is uncertain, and it's associated with the idea of beauty in both Latin and ancient Greek. Over the millennia, it's used for both aesthetic and practical purposes. An example of its use is the pebblestone flooring used during the 3rd millennium BC. Over the 1st millennium BC, the use of mosaic started to have more of an aesthetical function. Mosaic was first used to represent geometrical patterns as well as hunting and mythological scenes. Pella mosaics are an example of these representations, where episodes of Alexander the Great's life are portrayed. Pebble mosaic soon became popular all over the Mediterranean. Mosaic was mostly used during the Roman imperial period. Magnificent mosaics were used in the Domus remained. Opus sectile was frequently used during the 1st century AD. Geometric or figurative representations are obtained using well-shaped and juxtaposed polychrome marble slabs. Byzantine art develops between the 5th and the 6th century AD. Mosaic is a perfect expression of the mystical features of Byzantine harmony. Images are static, faces are inexpressive, and bodies two-dimensional. A gold background fills all space. Mosaic is part of the artistic heritage of the city of Ravenna, where it's possible to find the most beautiful examples of Byzantine mosaics that can compete with those of the Old Byzantium. Mosaic became a synonym of virtuosity during the Renaissance, where its main purpose was to show its own eternal essence. During the 20th century, there was a revival of the art of mosaic. Artists and architects such as Klimt and Gaudi provided its importance with the creation of significant works. One of these significant works was a mosaic on cardboard made by Klimt for the decoration of the dining hall in the Stocklet Palace in Brussels. Gaudi's works, such as Sagrada Familia and Güell Park in Barcelona, are an example for the use of old Moorish techniques. Fragments of colourful stone, marble, enamel and ceramics cover tri-dimensional objects, as in Aztec culture. During the 30s, Mario Serroni and Gino Severini clearly defined the mosaic revival. Severini uses the mosaic in several projects, as in the flooring for the Foro Italico in Rome and the decorations for the podium facade in the new post office of Alessandria. Over the 20th century, the art of mosaic acquired more and more importance as a wide range of artists started using it. The most recent developments of mosaic are its industrial production, which has led to significant use of mosaic in the contemporary world. In Gravina di Puglia, mosaicodigitale is used to recreate the relationship between mosaic and architecture, a relationship that had disappeared through time. Special care and attention must be given to the subject so as not to neglect the artistic dimension of the mosaic. Among the artists and architects using mosaicodigitale, we can find Karim Rashid, Max Stoppa, Konstantin Kudyakov, Janjir Madadi, and Sandro Sant'Antonio. The technical quality of digital mosaic makes it possible to cover large surfaces, lowering production time and costs. Thanks to this new technology, the installation and application of digital mosaic is possible anywhere in the world. Additionally, its reduced weight and thickness make it easy to transport. The mosaic can also be a story. It's possible to create custom mosaics, selecting illustrations, graphic or personal images. The result is stunning.